Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will explain about electrical charging sports model bike. Here this is Komaki M5 electrical charging bike. Here this bike is in sports bike model look. Now I will completely explain about this bike specifications. This bike is an electrical bike, so it works perfectly with the charging only. Once you charge this bike, it gives very good mileage. So far electrical bikes have not been very successful because main reasons previous electrical bikes mileage and bike speed is very less compared to these electrical bikes. Means previous electrical bikes have not been given spot pickup and best speed and better mileage. But now in market available more speed and better mileage and spot pickup electrical bikes. And now here these Komaki M5 electrical charging bike also gives spot pickup, better mileage and better speed. Now here this is Komaki M5 electrical charging bike. Once charged this bike gives mileage up to 100 to 120 kilometers. Now here this is in sports bike model. If you want to same in this Komaki brand scooty model and normal bike model. These electrical bikes available in scooty model and normal model also. You can buy which model you like in these electrical bikes. Okay, go through this bike. This electrical bike available in 3 colors. If you like this color, you can buy in this color. Otherwise, if you want to any other colors, this bike available in other colors also. So you can buy in other colors also. Next here, this is this bike digital meter. This digital meter look also very nice. In this speedometer, we can check bike speed, battery percentage and time also. Next, mainly buying this Komaki M5 electrical charging bike, we didn't have to spend more expenditures because this electrical bike has no petrol cost and no maintenance expenditures. This bike needed once charging power is 1 to 1.5 unit power only. This electrical bike compared to normal bikes, this electrical bike has many features than normal bikes. Mainly good feature in this electrical bikes is this electrical bike has a reverse gear option also. So by using this reverse gear option, we will drive this bike to park or reverse parking also. Next, this bike has option to remote control system also. This is the this bike remote control system. In this remote control system, there is a 4 options. By using these buttons, we can control overall bike. By pressing double click on this button, we can unlock this bike. Next, by using this second button, we can lock our bike. And by using this third button, we can find where is our bike location. And by using this final button, we can lock our bike from some far distance also. This bike has some more smart features also. Here this bike has Bluetooth connection system. By using this option, we can connect our phone to this bike and we can listen music and we can manage calls also. Next, this bike has mobile charging point also. By using this mobile charging point, we can charge our phone. And next, this bike has telescopic shocker. Mainly uses of this telescopic shocker, it gives very good suspension to our bike. And also this bike has anti-theft locking system. By uses of this anti-theft locking system to find our bike location. And now I will ride this bike. By riding this bike, we can feel very comfortable. And also this bike is suitable for youth only because this bike completely comes with sports look model. Next, this electrical bike has remote control system. By using this remote control system, we can lock this bike also. Next to this electrical bike, we can say as noise free bike because by using this bike we can control noise and this bike has no sound. Next, go through this electrical bike braking system. This bike braking system also very nice because here this bike has disc brake to front wheel and here this backside wheel also comes with disc braking system. Now here this is this bike headlight. This headlight comes with LED bulb. In this Komaki brand, we have high speed bikes and also low speed bike. If you use low speed bikes, so you didn't require any driving license for using low speed bikes. Here this is a high speed bike. If you want low speed bike details, I have given low speed bike video details in the description. Please go through that videos and watch that videos completely. So this is about these bikes details. So if you have any more doubts about these videos, please comment in comment section. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.